In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can clear your chats on Discord. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come through over to this server here, and as you can see, I have just wrote a couple of messages for this tutorial example. And what Discord do is they don't make it easy to delete your chats, because what they would have you do usually is they would have you come to the chat that you want to delete or the message. You would have to right click and then you would have to delete this message button here. And then every time you would get this little prompt asking you if you are sure you want to delete it. So that's one way you can do it if you are not administrator. But if you are administrator, what you can do is something really useful. You will need to come over to your browser, and then you will need to head over to mee6.xyz. Once you have come over to this, you need to go ahead and create an account and log in. Once you log in, you will get this pop up here, and you will have to authorize this on your account. So once you have come to this, you can now click on authorize. Once you authorize Mee6, what that will do is it will bring you to this dashboard here. And as you can see, I have already authorized this on my Discord, but if you haven't already, you can click on setup right here. And then what that will do is it will just literally take you through the setup process. And then again, you'll be able to click on continue. And if you scroll down, you can click on authorize at the bottom. Once you have done this, you can click on this here, on the capture, and then that will be available on your Discord. So what you need to do once you are here, you can click and select the server you want to delete all your messages on. So you can click on this drop down menu, and if you've got more than one server, they will be listed right here. And under server management, what you need to do is you need to come to moderator, and you need to enable this option and click on enable plugin. Once you click on yes, that will be enabled now on your Discord. So once you are happy with that, you can head back over to Discord, go to the server you want to delete your chat on, and then you will need to put in an exclamation mark, clear, type clear, and then you'll need to put the amount of messages that you want to delete at the end of this. So for example here, I will just put 100. If I click on that, what that will do is it will clear all of my messages. As you can see, the Mee6 bot has deleted 11 messages from this chat. So that's one of the easiest ways you can delete your chats on Discord, guys, but for this method you have to be administrator, and if you are not an administrator you will have to do it by the first method that I did show in today's video. But that's just about it for this video, guys. If this video did help you out, please drop a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.